Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial series on creating a 2D top-down shooter in PUN2, also known as Photon Unity Networking. In this tutorial series, we will go over the basic concepts of creating a multiplayer game in Unity. The game you see right now is what we will be making. This is an intermediate tutorial, and it is expected that you know the basics of Unity and what a mono behavior is. We will, however, clearly explain the concepts of networking as we go along. This tutorial will go over the following topics: an introduction to PUN and networking, how to connect players to rooms, how to set player properties such as name and color, how to synchronize position and other variables using photon views, creating and destroying objects on the server, lag compensation, polishing the game, and adjustments for WebGL. All of the code is available on GitHub, and you can try the game out right now on itch.io. These can be found in the links in the description below. We might also extend this tutorial to cover requested topics in the comments. Hope you guys will join me in episode 1